Hey guys, Ralph Havens here, Beyond Limits Physical Therapy, and a short video to describe something about joint spaces. So you can think of joints as, say, here's the thigh bone and here's the lower leg bone and you got the knee. What keeps that space in the joint? It can't be just the meniscus, the cartilages, because that would get worn down. It can't even be the fluid, because when you squish two bones together, this fluid would just squish out. What happens is there's something called Quanta. It's in the scientific literature. It's energy. And if the joint is lined up ideally in a good alignment, then when the foot hits the ground, instantly there's a quanta, an energy that happens that has a little cushion of air between the two inside the joint. And that activates. Now, if it's not lined up, it can go askew. And I'm going to demonstrate that with two magnets. This is two magnets. And if you push them together when they're in line, there's a resistance. It's like a cushion of energy. And that's what happens in the joints. There's a cushion of energy if they're lined up. Now, if they're not lined up and they come down, then they go bone to bone. So the key is how to have the posture, even if it's at an angle, the knee is bent, it can be lined up where there's the cushion. If it's a little askew, the bone goes bone to bone. So the key is to have the right alignment in your joints, in your body, so that when your foot hits the ground, you have this recoil effect. We call it a helix biomechanics effect. It's like a little cushion that happens. And you can notice it in high-level athletes. It's like they've got space in their body. And when their foot hits the ground, there's an energetic power there. So that's what helix biomechanics is all about. That's what the strain counter-strain method and integrative manual therapy method is all about, is to create that balance in the body so that everything is optimized, so you have that inner space that gives you that power when you run. So reach out for me. There'll be more links below of all sorts of information about this way of looking at the body and healing and getting your running and life back. All right, Ralph Havens, signing off.